birthday today. There's nowhere where I'd rather be than out here fishing. Bonk, right into the water. Look at that Mirage. You can see it through the foam, that white line there, that's the dam. It's just like disappeared from existence. The bottom of that white line you see. It's weird. 9 pounds, 14 ounces. There it goes. Snagged it. Whoops.
The bulk is there, getting there for the Seagulls.
Those are all birds. Millions of birds. Thousands of birds. We're getting shit on almost, dude. Bunch of cormorants in that tree. Those blackbirds. I don't know why they call this Goose Island. They should call it Seagull Island.